Hello guys.
Hi Abhijit, this is Seema here.
Hi Seema.
Hi Abhijit, I am absolutely unaware of any of these things. Like I've tried to read a little bit about chatbots, but I
Right.
really am an amateur in this line. So I hope this what you're teaching will help me
Not an
because
issue, Seema. You will once we finish this boot camp type of thing, you will
huh.
be well versed about all these things. Yeah.
Okay, great, great.
Hi Anantesh, tell me something about yourself. Anantesh, can you hear?
Yes, Abhay.
Yeah. So tell me something about yourself.
Uh, I am Anantesh Pujari,
Okay.
a dance choreographer and a fitness instructor, living in Navi Mumbai.
Staying in?
Navi Mumbai, Airoli.
Okay. 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 And Ithal Trust, can you introduce yourself, please? You can unmute yourself and speak.
Hi, my name is Manoj. I am from Idal Trust.
Okay.
So, running a NGO.
All right.
It is a Tamil Nadu-based NGO. We're doing a lot of social service for the peoples, and then we tie up with some other companies for partnership with our NGO.
All right. Great. Great. Mohit, you have not joined with your audio. Mohit, could you please connect? Okay, you won't be hearing me, right? Okay, guys. So let me introduce myself. I am Abhay, right? And I am in MVM Group for last 3-4 months now. And I am basically a Facebook marketing guy. And by profession, I am a civil engineer. I have a full-time job, and marketing is came out to me as a passion, right? So my story is that I started a company some 2 years back and failed miserably, right? So and I started my journey to understand why did I fail, because I don't have a background of business, right? There is no business in my family, so I was the first generation business owner, and I failed, right? So my journey started that why did I fail, what I could have done differently. So I started studying marketing, and then I came to know the reasons that I failed, right? So one of the reason was, to not to automate anything. I was so involved in the business that I forgot to do the marketing, right? I forgot to reach out to people, right? So that was my journey, and here I am now. I have few clients in Facebook marketing and genre, and I have worked with some big platforms for education sector basically, right? So Mohit, I think you are connected now, so can you speak out, can you tell us something about yourself? Mohit? Okay, let us go ahead with this. So I will share my screen now, and we'll see what are the chatbots basically.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Mohit. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, Mohit, tell about
Hi,
your.
Abhay. Thank you for inviting me over here. I'm looking
Welcome.
forward.
Sure.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Normally, people know me as Fitpreneur Mohit. I am from City of Gates, Aurangabad.
Okay.
Brought up in Jain family. I am a fitness lover, turned social media marketer, and also
Great.
founder of a digital marketing agency, which is Starbuzz Digimark.
Great. Great. Okay. So guys, let us start. So today's session is all about introduction. So first we introduce ourselves. Okay, I want to ask one question, guys. What is the preferable language? You like Hindi or you okay with English? I mean, we can do it in Hindi also. Okay. So it will be mixed now, right? I will mix it up. So I am also comfortable with Hindi and English both. So today's section is about introduction. We have introduced ourselves, right? Now I will introduce you to chatbots. So first thing first is that what are chatbots? So chatbots are basically softwares, piece of softwares which help you to automate your things, right? They can automate some part of your business or some part of your daily routine, right? There are some tasks which you do every day, right, and which you do manually. So these tasks can be automated with the help of chatbots, right? So one example is sending emails, right? You send emails every day, almost every day, right? So you can do that with chatbots also. You receive messages on your Facebook pages, right? You can automate that. You receive your messages on your websites, you can automate that also, right? So these are basically small softwares, right, to automate your business. Right now what happens, not everything can be automated, but most of the things can be automated. So what we have to do, we have to find the gaps, right? We have to find the gaps where we are lacking, which tasks of our business can be automated, right? So that is our first goal, to find the gaps, right? Find the tasks which can be automated, right? Second thing is that there are multiple kinds of chatbots, right? So some chatbots are based on fixed conversations, right? And some chatbots are based on you can say artificial intelligence, right? So what we will look at is on the first one, right? We'll look at some simple chatbots. And what in this training, what I am going to do, I am going to I am going to make a chatbot live in front of you, right guys? And what we are going to do, we are going to address a current situation, right? The current situation is you guys are all part of MVM group, right? So most of you are looking to expand your business, and most of you are looking to sell your courses, right? uh, Type yes in the comments in the chat box if you agree with me. Right. So when you go to sell your courses, first thing is most of us do some webinars, right? Right. So we will see a process how to automate the registrations, right? And how to make people join your webinar. Because what happens is, the joining percentage is very less, right? People register for the free webinars and then they forget, they don't join, right, when it comes. So now another question is, why chatbots, right? So guys, nowadays when you open your open your emails, right, what do you see? Let me show you my inbox, right? I have so many emails. Then here, if I go to promotions, there are so many emails, and most of the time, guys, your emails land in these two folders, right? Either they will land in updates or they will land in promotions. There are very rare chances that your emails will land here in primary section, right? So these emails, you can see there are thousands and thousands of emails which I have not read, right? If I have not read, and the email you send can be, they can lose it in this crowd, right? So email is not that what you call open now, right? But in the messenger, what you get a personalized message on your messenger, right? You get a personalized message on your messenger, which is, which is really difficult to lose, right? I will show you my messenger also. So see, this is kind of, these are the kind of messages you will get. So what happens whenever you get a message, you get a notification on your mobile screen, right? And the chat is highlighted, right? What here you are seeing all the chats, all the emails are highlighted, but here only the message you have not read are highlighted, right? Okay. Now, second thing is open rate of the emails, right? So some of you may be doing some email marketing, right? Let us see what are the open rates. Guys, I will not be doing any PPT, no presentation, right? It will all be live. What is email marketing? Let us see what does it say. So healthy open rate is typically 20 to 40%, right, guys? And let us see the click rates. So click-through rate should be about 2.5%, right, guys? So this is basically a good click rate, right? What they are saying. So now in the messenger, let us now check on messenger, open rates of messenger. Let us see this one. It says 88% open rate and 56% click-through rates, right? So now you can see the difference, right? So type yes if you are clear about this. Okay, great. So now you may think that I am against email marketing, right? But I am not against email marketing. I am very much fond of email marketing. This is a very good source to do the marketing, right? So what we can do, we can do a mix of these two, right? Messenger and email. So there are platforms who can mix it up, email marketing and messenger marketing. Now the difference is, even today the email marketing is the cheapest medium of marketing, guys. So now what is the difference? Why messenger marketing? If this is not cheaper than email marketing, then why it is better than email marketing? So we can see now suppose you have 1,000 subscribers, right? And they are subscribed to email and messenger, both same people, right? You send 1,000 emails. According to industry, only 20% of this, that means 200 emails will be read, basically open, right? And click-through rate, if we go on the higher end, let us say 5%, then you will get, just a minute, someone is I think waiting in the right? Okay, he's in. Hi Jeet. So if you get 5% click rate, then you get 200 into 5 by 100 to 10 clicks, right? Let me know if I make any mistake in calculations, right guys? 10 clicks. Now in that 10 clicks, suppose 2 people buy. Let us consider a 2% of a 20%, let us say 20% conversion, right? They went to your website and they did something that you want, and that conversion rate is 20%. So two people will buy. Now suppose your product is your product cost is $10, right? So revenue will be $20, right? Now let us see what happens if you send 100 messages, 1000 messages, right? 1000 messages. So if 80% is the open rate, your 800 messages are open, right? Then you send them the link, and according to statistics, if the click-through rate, what is this? They have 56%. Let us say 50%, right? Let us say 50%. 50% click rate, right? Or even if I say 20% click rate, let us say you reach to the most, uninterested people, right? Let us say 20%, 160, right? So 160 people, right guys? 160 clicks, right? Now here we consider 20% open, 20% conversion rate. Now if we consider 20% conversion rate, the sale will be 320, 32, right guys? Let me calculate it. 160, so 32 sales, and your rate was $10, so it's 320. 32 clicks, 32 conversions, and revenue is, how much was that? 320. So can you see the difference, guys? So Messenger has a better scalability rate, right? You can scale better, right? So you can do both. You can do emails, you can do messengers, right? Both in combination is, they are very, very, very much effective. You can go for both. Great. So now this is the, this is what I am going to stress upon, that chatbots are, basically new websites. Chatbots are new website, or you can say future website, right? Chatbots are more personal, right guys? Chatbots are more personal, right? They are, they are basically, chatbots do conversations at the first hand, right? They do conversations, right? So what we can do, would you like to see a let us see a chatbot somewhere, if we can find a page with the chatbots. Let us say there is a digital marketing, right? This is a big company, right? So let us see what they are doing in their chatbots. So you can put a box button like this, and you can see this pops up automatically, right, for the user. Then we click on get started, right? You click on get started, then I am now subscribed to their bot, right? So you got this message automatically, right? And then this is their menu, you can see here, you can go to products, right? Free Lab, Lab Basic. So these are all their products. Let us say I go to Free Lab. Maybe they have put some delay, or maybe they will message me later, right? So this is what on the face, the chatbots do, right? They converse with your visitors, right, guys? So this is the chatbot, and I hope this is now clear for all of you what chatbots do, right? You can type yes in the chat box if you are clear about it. Right, guys? Okay. So now we will talk about what tool we are going to use in this training, right? So we will be using ManyChat. This is the simplest tool available to make your chatbots. Right, guys? This is the simplest tool to make your chatbots. I will show you a chatbot, what it looks like, right? So this is the dashboard, right, of ManyChat. Here you can see this is my page. I have linked this page, right? And these are all the tools available, right? These are growth tools. These are basically the doorway to your bot, right? These are basically the doorway to your tool, to your chatbots, right? And these are the broadcast. This is the broadcast which you can send to all of your users, right? This has some limitations now. I will be talking about this in these five days, right? This is the automation. These are basically the triggers, right? That fire your that fire your bot, and these are the things which you set up for your bot, and each of these fire a different kind of response to your user, right? This is flow. This is where you will be investing most of your time, right? This is where you will design your conversation. This is where you will design your flows, right? Design your automation. These are some settings, right? So we'll be talking about all these things in these 6 days, right? And let me show you something. Let me show you one bot, right? This is what I made for one of the, one. Okay, this is not this one. This one. So this was done for a client, right? So if you want, you can try this so that you have some taste of this, right? I will give you the link. Keyword LP, right? Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me create a growth tool for this. Guys, and I am sharing this link to the WhatsApp group. You can go here and experience what a bot can do for you, right? What we will also talk about taking our data to our own storage and then retrieving it from there. So we'll be using Google Sheets, right? We'll be taking our data to Google Sheet and then getting it back from there, right, guys? So that is all for today. If you want, you can ask your questions. You can unmute yourself and ask, or you can also type in the chat. Seema, you can do it anytime.
So Abhijit, this is what we have to click and
Right.
experience, and then we are ready for tomorrow, is it?
Right. This is a very
So
simple
is
chatbot.
many.
It will ask you some details, right? It will
Uh-huh.
ask you some
Uh-huh.
details and give you some results on the basis of your of
Mhm.
what you enter, right? If you are not coming, this will
Okay.
ask for your date of birth kind of things. If you don't want to give your real data, you can put some fake data also, not an issue, right? This is just for a test drive.
Okay, and is ManyChats a paid panel, or is it a
ManyChat
free?
has both options. You have a free version and a paid version. I
Okay.
would suggest to go for paid version, right? Because there are
Okay,
so
and
many features which are not available in free version, right? I don't have any affiliation with ManyChat. There are so many tools in the market. You can use any of those.
Mhm.
I will be clearing you the basics, right? Then you can go to
Okay, okay.
any platform and use that, right?
Okay, and tell me something, Avijay. I have a we do these ads for our company, so we
Right,
get emails, right?
right.
So when we're doing so if we have got the email, we can just put that data. Is it how we make a list of the
Right.
emails and the data? How does it work? I am not aware of this.
Uh, through Messenger.
Through Messenger. I think people have to message you in Messenger to get activated,
Right,
isn't it?
right.
But how about the emails? Is what I'm trying to say.
Emails, you can run your campaigns, and you are running basically lead ads, right?
Yes.
Yes, you are running lead
Yes.
ads. So you have to, put some automations. You have to go to
Yes.
Zapier, or there are other
Okay.
tools. Integromat is there, right? So they are all paid tools. But so what you can do, you
Okay.
can connect your Facebook account, Facebook ad account with those tools, and they can,
Huh.
they can put your leads into a spreadsheet, or they can put your leads into your autoresponder directly,
Okay.
right?
All right.
Yeah. Any more questions, guys? You can always ask the questions on WhatsApp also. I will try to answer whenever you ask, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you
And
so much.
one more thing, that because I am not available all the time, so what I will do, I will open the open this WhatsApp group will be open for 1 more hour today, right? And then I will open it at 5 o'clock in the evening, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
every day this group will be open for 1 hour after the session, and from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Right, guys?
Okay. Okay.
So you guys
Perfect.
can message me and I will answer your questions, right? And
Right.
I call these sessions as meeting. These are not classes, guys. So be very open to the conversations, right? I
Oh,
don't call these classes, right, guys?
yeah.
Okay,
Thank
then,
you so much.
yeah, you're welcome, Seema. So shall we wrap up now? Guys, any more questions? All right, then.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah.
Yeah, hi. Whether these chatbots work for the websites as well?
Yes, these chatbots work for the website as well.
So
There
if
is
we
one
take
limitation. There is one limitation, Antesh. There is one limitation, that these chatbots work for the Facebook users only, right? When you
okay,
make it with ManyChat,
okay.
right?
So
So
that
if
will
a user,
automatically be the Facebook page.
come again, please.
That chat will be routed to the Facebook page.
Right, right, right,
Okay. That
right.
is also good. That is also convenient.
Yeah, I will show you an example. I have left with some time, so I will show you one example, right? There is a website. This is a friend's website who sells some kids stuff, right? So you see this one, right?
Right.
So because I am logged into the Facebook, so it shows
Hmm.
continue as Abhay, right? It
Yeah.
can read my name from my
Hmm.
Facebook account, right? If I was not
Okay.
logged into Messenger or Facebook, it won't show this.
Hmm.
It won't show something different,
Okay.
right? It will ask me to log in if I want to chat, right?
Okay.
There are tools which you can put on your website, right, which don't need you to be logged into Facebook. Okay. So the basics you will get in these 5-7 meetings. You can apply anywhere, right? All the bots will run on these principles only.
Okay.
Right? And there are ways that you can you can remove this when if a person is not logged into the WhatsApp, logged into the Facebook, no, this won't show up to them. Right? Now I think there is some message. Okay. Right. Any other question, guys?
So if a person is not logged into the messenger, or if he's not using the Facebook on his system,
right,
then we should have two things on the website, one for the messenger and the other thing something else.
Right. See, you have to see where your traffic is coming from, basically.
Okay.
Right. You have to see where your traffic is coming from. Either it is coming from Facebook, or you are getting most of the times SEO kind of traffic, right? So if you are getting more of SEO traffic, you should try something else, not ManyChat. Okay. So you can go to Dialogflow, CurioBot, TDO. There are so many tools available that you can use any of those.
Okay.
Nowadays, there are some omni-channel chatbot platforms also, right, which can connect to different kind of sources. Right?
But this free version will be of ManyChat will be good enough for the beginners?
I would say no.
Okay.
Yeah, you can try few things, you can do simple things, but the thing is that you won't be getting data from user. That is the biggest part. Means the biggest problem with the free version. You cannot take inputs from user.
How much is a basic plan that works?
It's $10 per month.
$10 per month.
Yeah, $10 per month.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Then
nice session it was. Yeah.
So looking forward to meet you guys tomorrow. I will now stop it. Right. All right then, guys. Same time tomorrow. Right, guys?
Okay.
All right. Okay then. Have a good day. Bye bye.